SpaceX's Starship, uncovering the role of the Federal Aviation Administration launch license. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, plays a vital role in SpaceX's Starship missions. From safety to environmental concerns, their influence is vast. FAA launch licenses are the key to space. Without them, SpaceX's Starship is grounded. The importance of these permits cannot be overstated. The FAA ensures public safety during every launch. Each launch license is a vote of confidence that SpaceX can conduct their mission without endangering lives. But it's not just about safety. The FAA monitors the environmental impact of SpaceX's operations. They work to ensure that our push for space doesn't harm our home. The FAA also works to protect national security. SpaceX's Starship doesn't launch if the FAA isn't assured that national security won't be compromised. In conclusion, without the FAA, SpaceX's Starship doesn't fly. Their launch license isn't just a permit, it's a symbol of trust, safety, and responsibility.